Hi guys, I didn't saw you there. Welcome back to Rockin with Charlotte. Today we are going to play with a Leapfrog game, Rockit Twist. And it has mystery eggs and a controller. I'm rocking, looking so cute. I'm rocking with Charlotte and you.
Hi guys, hopefully you can hear me, Rockin' friends. This is Charlotte's mom. We're going to go over some specs about the Leapfrog Rockit Twist. So, if you look at the top of the gamepad here, you'll see 9 green buttons in the square. I'm going to highlight it here. Those are called the button grid. And then if you look to the left of that, you'll see a little toggle switch, which is exactly what it is. It's a switch. Now let's go back to the 9 green dots, and to the right of that there is a spinner. This actually spins round. Underneath that is the slider. It's called a slider. And then the 3 colorful dials at the bottom, we have a yellow, green, and red. That's called dials. And then to the left of that we have a home button. Then we have a hint button. And then the red button on the left is called the D-pad. Okay guys, and right here, where that little purple tab is, that's actually a USB port, a micro USB port. And then to the right of that, we have somewhere where you can plug in your headphones or your earbuds. Okay, and also when you purchase the set, you get the game pack card with it. And this is, it has 2 games included, Party Time with Poppy, as well as Cookie's Sweet Treat. And you have your parents go online to activate these games, and once they do, you're able to play both of these games on your card.
It's very educational, so you can get this.
Yes, it is very educational. Show them the 2 eggs that come with it. So for each one of those games, she got 2 eggs. You want to show them what's inside?
Yes. First, comment down below which egg I'm going to open. And the first egg I'm going to open is the orange one. Okay, my mom helped me got the egg open. So Party Time with Poppy had a little keychain and it's a flower. Okay, so our next one is Sweet Treat. Okay, really hungry now.
Okay guys, we also wanted to show you that it comes with the USB cord. So basically you plug one end, or your parents will. Your parents will plug one end into the game controller and the other end into your computer, and then you can set it up and add your games and add your child's name and their age, and it will kind of personalize it so that they're playing age-appropriate games at the right level.
Okay guys, so I got the remote control, whatever you call it. So here's the on button, and if you want to turn it off, just press it again. Yep. And then it pops up, and then you pick your name. So I'm level 1 to rainbow. So, and then when you're done, press the green check mark. Okay guys, now
to go to a station, use the red D-pad, then press the green check mark.
So guys, I got the remote control. Now, if you want to go to a station, use
the red D-pad, then press the green check mark.
That is right. That's what the remote control said. So I'm going to pick pet. When you're done with setting, always press the green check mark.
Welcome to the pet station. Choose an egg to hatch your very own pet. Look, you have new eggs. Use the red D-pad to pick an egg, then press the green check mark. Ready to hatch your egg? Just swipe your finger up and down on the orange slider. It's a baby flower. She's so cute. Let's name her Ashley. Welcome. This is Ashley's cozy home. Playing games and taking good care of your pet will help it grow up.
Okay, so
Aww, your pet wants some attention. Try using one of the lighted controls. Let's learn how to play. Uh-oh, here comes a tumbleweed. Drag your finger across the orange slider to jump, like this.
if you want to go to the home button, you can press the house button.
Are you sure you want to exit? Yes. Yes. Then
Okay,
press the
we're
green
going
check
to
mark.
play Trolls.
Trolls, party time with Poppy.
Okay, so let's go to music time.
Use the red D-pad to select a game. Then press the green check mark. Poppy's music time. Poppy's music time. Time to tumble some tunes together. Let's make music. Oh yeah! Select your music style. Use the red D-pad to choose. Then press Bubbles. Smooth. Sunset. Electric. Electric. Are you ready to make some music? Ready? Go! Ba-da-bum. Fantastic! You earned 5 stars. Do you want to hear your saved song? Yes. Let's listen. Ready? Go! Ba-da-bum. Play Sweet Treat Station.
So let's go to Sweet Treat Station, Rockin' Friends.
Cookies, sweet treats. Press the green check mark to start. Welcome back. Pick a recipe from my recipe book or the new one I'm thinking of making. Ooh, what are we baking this time? Pick a recipe with the red D-pad. Then, chocolate chip cookies, berry muffins. Good choice. Let's get started. Choose a level with the red D-pad. Then press the green check mark.
So there's level 1
Level 2.
and
Level
level
3.
3. So let's do level 1.
Level 2. Level 1. First, we make the batter. Let's add the ingredients. Flour. All set? Great! Now we must stir. That was so good! Yay! Let's add the ingredients. All set? Great! Let's add an egg. Good one! Okay! Thank you, chickens!
This is the part when we do math, guys. 1. Now it says 1 blueberry.
But you need how many for a target?
5.
Yep, so we need to have 5 altogether.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it also makes a number setting. So if we took 2 over here and 3 over here, 3 plus 2,
Plus
I mean
2.
5, not 4.
Perfect! units.
So it's pretty cool that you're doing math as well. There's so much going on and there's so much to do on this game to keep the kids busy. And also, you don't need Wi-Fi, so they can play this in a car when you're going on a road trip and have some time away from, you know, their cell phones and video games. This is educational, but it also has so much to do that it keeps them interested.
Yeah, because if you have trouble at school, you can like come home and practice on this, what you're having trouble on, and go back to school and do it again to find the right answer.
And once you get past level 1, you can move up to level 2 and challenge yourself even more, and then level 3. So, and like I said, it goes from age 4 all the way up to age 8. And I think it's a really good game to keep kids occupied.
Press down on the... Oh, we need to preheat the oven. Set the temperature to 1.
There we go.
Great.
Okay, so I'm going to scroll through that which station that you can go to.
Sneak peek station. Music station. Pet station. Maker station. Practice station. Playground station. Arcade station.
Those are all the games that you can go to. I really like this game, and I give it 2 thumbs up because it's educational for your kids to relieve them busy. So, if you didn't look at them again, I'm just going to show you one more time. This is what the keychains look like. So anyway, I hope you liked my video. So, bye for now.